Yo, Pete, when you're ready.
Reckon that's loud enough there? Yo, and it goes like, how am I doing now? Please don't ask. Days go slow, but the weeks go fast. Been a few months, I ain't seen no gas. Got girls telling me send a VO fast. My man them drop off a parcel canteens, but I don't need no cash. Little Lee just on the 4.5. Miss that nigga, yeah, he knows that. Missed your day, but I didn't forget. Still to this day, it's my biggest regret. I'm still coming to the times that my nigga is dead. They sat me down, had to give it a set. Put my heart and soul in the lyric I met. I'm the youngest here, yeah, but still I'm a vet. Don't know what lies every minute ahead, and if I had one wish, I would give it to them. I'm talking to him, but family can't hear. Too real. Try being just down the road, but your family can't see. I'm the 140 champ like that. Be losing, so I'm still with the champ. But your man can't wait till I chill with the camp. Pass me the ganja and film with the camp. Left on myself, but yeah, I small time belief for some damn relief. Trying to find me a story I can't believe. I never ran from war, but I ran for people. Faces got blown like a hagrid. And then piggies got blown like block noses. Me on navy with some cutthroat cheeks. Yeah, glad he ain't got no girl. I can stress about grateful that I ain't got no kids. Fresh out when the whole block knows it. Got a little size on if you not know it. Man never hollered them and drop those spits. Keep running your mouth, I'll pop those hits. Know for your brain with your shank. When Joe had the shit shaving the wang. Know that weed and drink go straight to my head. I'm gonna go straight and right now I wanna thank God that I'm still breathing. If I want her, then she won't leave. M.O.B. make a no season. Wanna warn me, have a real reason. This beat, taking you South Beach. Right now I really want my South Key. Can't get a job, go to South Beach. Cause I'm at the rules, you can tell me. Somebody stop me, you wanna knock me.